Pinks? Cash? What you got?
Yeah, they're looking for Benny.
We got a problem. We got a problem. We got a problem.
Sensor?
Yeah, it's melting off. I can't pull it out. It's stuck in there.
What's stuck? The sensor?
The sensor, like they melted together.
What is it? What is
I
it?
think that's my VTEC sensor. VTEC solenoid sensor. Not 100% sure. I mean, I'm not hitting VTEC, but. Alright, you guys. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny. We're on our way to a car meet right now, hosted by Throttle, YouTube company. Well, they're just a company for cars and stuff like that. Taking out the S to all the way to Encinitas from where I'm at. It's a 30-minute drive, so I'm kind of sketched out about it, but we will see how it goes. I couldn't wash it. I didn't get a wash. It's dirty. It has all these little, I don't know if they're bird poop or what, but the yellow spots.
Hey.
But I'm scared, man. Oh jeez, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hey, if you look at it, Andres is pretty low. Like he's pretty low. Damn, bro, are you on bags? Shit,
Yeah, bro,
VIP. We look, damn. Hey, bro, is this your car? Is this your car?
Bro, not
Is this your car? Is this your car?
No.
Oh, okay, never mind then.
Wow.
Nah, this is my car right here. This fucking shit.
Oh, this one?
This whole thing, dog, is all fucked up, bro. The calipers and wheels not even the same color, dog. What the fuck?
Fucking yeah, you're right, dude. Damn, we ain't got nothing on that, John. Look at that carbon fiber stickers, brace bar or like
How you feel
bumper reinforcement shit. What do you call it again? That stuff, whatever it is.
How you feel about that?
Damn, man.
It's fine.
What? That's it?
Fine.
Oh my god. John, I want to hear you talk some shit to these guys.
Oh, yeah.
Call them out. Let's go.
See how he matched the wheel color to the caliper? See how they
Shit, let's see.
Yeah.
Damn, that's nice. That's what you call. That's what you call an STI right there. Very nice, I like. Oh, what we got here? What is this?
Dude, they have a kit for that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I want car that can get it. It's so expensive. The titanium kit.
Okay.
Get it for the M5. Get it.
Damn, man. Who's that? I wish I had one of these. Shit. Fucking the things I would do to it. Hey, look at that. This fucking.
If you had one, you'd probably turbo it, huh?
Yeah, if I had one, I'd turbo one of these for sure.
This shit is hard.
Oh, this is a back. This. Let me. Hey, bro, how much power are you pushing?
1,000.
1,000? Holy shit. He's pushing 1,000 horsepower. I think I could take him. See how it looks. Oh, we can't really see, but I mean, you guys saw. Can you turn on the light actually? Oh, it's looking good so far. Well, it held up for the drive. It was about a 30-minute drive. Damn, you guys saw them big flames. John didn't want it. He actually got me in the first one because the car just didn't go, and then the second one, it was like, all right. But that Supra that showed up, they didn't want it. They saw what I got. Saw what I got. They didn't want it.